In this video, I'll show you how to create consistent characters with Kling AI and keep the same character appearance across multiple AI video scenes. First, decide exactly how your character should look. Create a clear character description that includes important details such as facial features, hairstyle, clothing, age, body type, and overall appearance. Next, create or choose a high-quality reference image of your character. A clear reference image can help establish the character's visual identity and make it easier to maintain similar features when creating additional scenes. Now create your first video using the character reference. In your prompt, describe the action and environment while keeping the character description consistent. For example, you could create a character wearing a blue jacket and black pants, with short dark hair and a specific facial appearance. When creating another scene, keep these core details the same and only change the location or action. This is important because completely rewriting the character description for every scene can cause the AI to produce noticeable changes. When you create a new scene, focus your prompt on what is different. You can change the location, camera angle, lighting, or action while keeping the character's identity unchanged. For example, the first scene could show the character walking through a city, while the second scene shows the same character entering a building. Keep the important appearance details consistent in both prompts. After generating each clip, compare the character with your original reference. Check the face, hairstyle, clothing, body proportions, and other important details. If the character looks different, adjust the prompt and regenerate the scene. Small changes to your instructions can sometimes make a noticeable difference. For longer AI stories, keep your character reference images and base description organized